Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 6. It's 1, 2, 3. Paddle 4, 5, 6. Shuffle 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3. Paddle 4, 5, 6. Shuffle 7, 8. Shuffle left, right, left, rock. Easy, lift, rock. Chop, chop. Half turn. Cha-cha left. Step with the right. Pivot. Back, left, pivot. There you go. Rock up. Rock easy. And with a right back quarter turn left. Right back quarter turn left. Cha-cha. Cha-cha right. Half turn. Cha-cha left. Step with the right. Pivot. Back, left, pivot. Rock up. Rock easy. And right back quarter turn left. Looking good. Right back quarter turn left. One more. Right back tap. Rock out. And cross in, cross out, left, bring it back. Left, right, left, roll left. Swing in, what? Pop, roll left. Swing in, what? Pop, out, and cross in, cross out, left, bring it back. Left, right, left, roll left. Swing in, what? Pop, roll left. Swing in, part 3. Cha-cha, half turn. Cha-cha left, quarter turn. Right, left, cha-cha right. Half turn. Cha-cha left, quarter turn. Right, left, right, half turn, cha-cha left, quarter turn, right, left, cha-cha right, half turn, cha-cha left, quarter turn, part 1, cha-cha right, half turn, cha-cha left, step with the right, pivot, back, left, pivot, good looking good, rock up, rock easy, and right back, quarter turn left, right back, quarter turn left, cha-cha, cha-cha right, half turn, cha-cha left, step with the right, pivot, back, left, pivot, cross, out, and cross in, cross out, left, back with left, right, roll left, swing in, what? Pop, roll left, swing in, what? Pop, out, and cross in, cross out, left, get back with a left, right, left, roll left, swing in, what? Pop, roll left, swing in, what? Stick, tree, cha-cha, half turn, cha-cha left, quarter turn, right, left, cha-cha right, half turn, cha-cha left, quarter turn, right, left, cha-cha right, half turn, cha-cha left, quarter turn, right, left, cha-cha right, half turn, cha-cha left, quarter turn, right, left, part 2, out, and cross in, cross out, left, bring it back with a left, right, left, roll left, in what? Pop, roll left, swing in what? Pop, out, and cross in, cross out, left, bring it back. Left, right, left, roll it. Swing in, what? Pop, roll left. Swing in, what? Do it again, out, and cross out, left. Bring it back with a left, right, left, roll left. Swing in, what? Pop, roll left. Swing in, what? Pop, out, and cross in, cross out, left. Bring it back with a left, right, left, roll left. Swing in, what? Roll left, swing in. Part 3, cha-cha, half turn, cha-cha left, quarter turn, right, left, cha-cha right, half turn, cha-cha left, quarter turn, end of dance. How y'all feel? Good whoop in the house? Okay, I got y'all. So everybody's good? All right. Okay.
Y'all have to do it, just say.
Okay. Part 1 starts with a cha-cha on the right.
Okay.
Then when you half turn, the cha-cha's on the left. Then you pivot right, pivot back left. Okay. Everything's on the right foot lead. Okay. Boo-boo. All right.
What's part 2?
You're right. Intro first. Part 1 starts on the back wall.
Part 2, what's the first couple of steps of part 2?
Oh, just a cha-cha right half turn. Out and. Yeah, because you do that right back tap. It's out and. That's part 2. Part 3 is the cha-cha. See, it's the cha-chas all 4 walls. Okay. Nah, just the intro. That is important. That's just your intro. Ready? How y'all feel? Woo woo? All right, let's do this. Here we go. 5, 6, cross it over. 1, 2, 3, paddle 4, 5, 6, shuffle 7, 8, cross 1, 2, 3, paddle 4, 5, 6, shuffle 7, 8, shuffle left. It's right, left, rock, easy, lift right. Cha-cha, half turn. cha-cha left, step with the right pivot, back left pivot, here we go, rock up, rock easy, land with a right back quarter turn, how you feel, right back quarter turn left, cha-cha, half turn, cha-cha left, here we go, step with the right pivot, back pivot, rock up, here we go, rock easy, and with a right back quarter turn left, with a right back quarter turn left, one more, with a right back tap, rock out, and cross in, cross out left, bring it back with a left, right, left, roll left, swing and what, pop, roll left, swing and what, and cross in, cross out left, bring it back with a left, right, left, roll left, swing and what, pop, roll left, swing and pop, part 3, cha-cha, add turn, cha-cha left, quarter turn, right, left, cha-cha right, half turn with the left, cha-cha left, quarter turn right, right, left, cha-cha right, half turn with the left, cha-cha left, quarter turn, right, left, cha-cha right, half turn, cha-cha left, quarter turn, part 1, cha-cha right, half turn, cha-cha left, step with the right, pivot, left pivot, there you go, rock up, rock easy, and with a right back, quarter turn left, with a right back, quarter turn left, cha-cha right, half turn, cha-cha left, step with the right, pivot back left, part 2 is out, and cross in, cross out left, bring it back with a left, right, left, roll left, swing and what, roll left, swing and what, out, and cross in, cross out left, bring it back with a left, right, left, roll, swing it, and pop, roll, part 3, cha-cha, half turn, cha-cha left, quarter turn, right, left, cha-cha right, there you go, half turn, cha-cha left, quarter turn, right, left, cha-cha right, half turn, cha-cha left, quarter turn, right, left, cha-cha right, half turn, we're going into the chorus, part 2, out, cross in, cross out left, bring it back with a left, right, left, roll left, swing and what, pop, roll left, swing and what, pop, cross in, cross out left, bring it back, left, right, left, roll, swing, let's do it again, out and, what, can you feel it, here we go, with a left, right, left, roll it, swing it, and pop, roll it, swing it, and pop, out, and, cross in, cross out left, bring it back with a, roll it, swing it, roll it, swing and pop, part 3, cha-cha right, half turn, cha-cha left, quarter turn, right, left, cha-cha right, half turn, cha-cha left, quarter turn, end of the. I'm feeling a little something right here.